Hello all, welcome back students. So let us see the second program and why I am putting little bit of emphasis on the second program because it is based on exception handling. Okay, so make sure you are understanding this thing. Write a program to enter any year from the user and display if it is a leap year or not. Okay, so I will not read the remaining part of the questions. I will just execute this. Write a program to enter any year from the user and display if it is a leap year or not. So let us say y equal to input. I will first design a very basic level program. Okay, enter any year in YYYY format. Okay, condition we know, if any year is completely divisible by 4 then it is considered to be a leap year. So print y is a leap year. Okay, just copying this, and obviously in else condition we can print that y is not a leap year. First of all, let us see whether it works. Yeah, it is working. So let us see something proper. Yeah, works. Use appropriate exception handling block as applicable to handle the code. Now, intentionally here, I did not handle the code where my year should be of 4 digits only. Correct? Intentionally here, I did not handle the code so that my year should not contain any characters. Okay, so I could have done that, but because I want to exercise exceptional handling here, that is the one of the reasons I did not do that coding. I intentionally missed two pieces of code. Point number one, the year that the user is entering should be of 4 digits. Point number two, the year that the user is entering should not contain any alphabets. Okay. So what I will do, I will push that thing in exception handling block. So I am cutting this. Try. Put all the code that can create an error inside the exception handling block with proper indentation. Except, remember the indentation. Okay, try, except are in same line. What will happen in except? We should print a message if an error comes. So please print a generalized message that enter 4 digit year only, and we will print more generalized on no characters allowed. Okay, I hope you are getting me. This could have been handled very well programmatically. Okay, very well. I know how to restrict entry of characters. I know how to count the length. But because we are practicing exception handling, I made sure that intentionally I am not handling that case. Okay, when we are doing, let us do it completely. Else, what I can do? Else, I think let us say no error. Okay, these last two are not compulsory. Okay, finally though we'll execute regardless of anything there or not, so I can only print thanks here. Okay, let us first work properly. 2006 input is proper, not a leap year, else block executed, thanks block executed, correct? Now input is improper, but again I feel that it will not give an error because it will be divisible by 4 na. It will not give an error, it will be divisible by 4. So students, I think I have to handle the length because otherwise my program will be nonsensical. Suppose if I enter this, what? Logically my program is wrong. But exception handling will not handle everything. It will handle something only when error is coming, and this is not error. This is not any error. Okay, this is a number only. So I think the length part we have to handle here. Only the character part we will take into consideration. No problem. So let me handle the length part. How to do? I think instead of handling separately, we can handle it here. Let me just think. If length of str of y equal to 4 and modulus 4 is 0, then it is a leap year. If I think else is not required only, most probably. Otherwise, okay. Instead of this, now what I can do, I will go for the proper thing because this may confuse many of you. Okay. If length of, remember this is integer, length of integer is not possible. If length of str of y equal to 4, then only we will proceed. Then only we will proceed with this code. Okay. Otherwise, we will not be proceeding. So what I can do, in else of this bigger if, in else of this if, I can write a statement that please enter a 4-digit year. Print enter year in 4 digits. Okay, enter year in 4 digits. Okay, obviously it is not a error. Obviously it is not an error because it is a number only, so exception handling block does not counter this to be an error, so it is okay. This will be definitely an error. Okay, and that is why say you can see that my exception handling statement is now activated and it is telling that no characters allowed. Okay, more or less students, exception handling is in your hands only. How do we raise the error and how do you manage things well, this is in your hands only mostly. Okay, so I could have handled the alphabet entry part here also, but then there would have been no use of this. Okay, so intentionally I did not handle, it was very easy. I just had to put one condition of is alpha. Okay, but I wanted to check whether exception handling block works or not, and that is the reason. Initially I thought ke length also I will not handle, but then my program was logically going very wrong. Okay, that is the reason I decided to handle the length part. Okay, please make sure the programs are written properly.